हाय गाइस। आज रमज़ान का पहला जुम्मा है और मैं आप सबसे यही कहूँगी कि these are difficult times and every day we are getting a shock. I have been trying to cope up with it, being no one, not even close to what their loved ones must be feeling. So let's pray for them. Let's pray for the world. Let's pray for the families who have lost their loved ones. May God give them strength. We can't even imagine what they must be going through. We can just pray for them. Let's pray for them, guys. And let's pray for the world.
इरफान भाई, जीवन में कबड्डी तो बहुत हैं। कभी उतार की कबड्डी, कभी चढ़ाव की कबड्डी। लेकिन जिंदगी में जब मैच ऑन रहता है तो उम्मीद हमेशा कायम रहती है कि जीवन की कबड्डी में हम जीतेंगे। लेकिन जीवन की कबड्डी के मैच को बीच में ही छोड़कर चले जाना, फिर कभी ना आने के हिसाब से, ये बड़ा दुखदाई है। इरफान भाई, आपकी पुनरावृत्ति नहीं हो सकती। आपको हम लोग कभी नहीं भूल पाएंगे। लव यू इरफान भाई।
Just heard early in the morning that Rishi Kapoor ji has passed away, Chintu ji as we would say, and it's very very sad. He was such a great man. I know him बचपन से जानता था ऋषि जी को। हम उनके RK स्टूडियो में जाके होली मनाया करते थे और वो एक्टर भी नहीं थे, तब से जानता हूँ। फिर वो एक्टर बने, बॉबी की भी शूटिंग में मैं गया था। हमारे रिश्ते फैमिली वाले रिश्ते थे उनके साथ, और जब भी वो मिलते थे हमेशा एक स्माइल उनके मुंह पे होती थी। कुछ ना कुछ कॉमेडी करते रहते थे, हंसाते रहते थे हमेशा। इसीलिए मैं चाहता हूँ कि हम सब भी उन्हें खुशियों से याद करें। उन्हें याद करें कि एक ग्रेट इंसान, एक ग्रेट सुपर टैलेंटेड इंसान, फैबुलस एक्टर। एंड कपूर ख़ानदान मतलब फिल्म इंडस्ट्री के स्तंभ, उनमें से एक बहुत ही शाइनिंग एग्जाम्पल ऋषि कपूर हैज़ लेफ्ट अस। सिर्फ एक बात का बहुत दुख होने वाला है कि ऋषि कपूर जो थे वो हमेशा पहुंच जाते थे सबके फ्यूनरल पे, और हम उनके फ्यूनरल पे नहीं पहुंच पा रहे। बड़ा दुख हो रहा है इस बात का। बाकी चिंटू जी, wherever you are up there, God bless you, we love you and we will always love you and remember you.
I am completely shattered and deeply saddened to know about the passing away of a very, very dear friend and colleague and drama school junior, Irfan Khan. It's not only the loss of the Hindi film industry, or it's a loss of the country and international entertainment world. He was an amazing actor, that goes without saying, but he was a wonderful human being also, very straightforward, with a great sense of humor, compassionate. It's so frightening and awful to talk about him in past tense. It's I don't know. I feel that it's too soon. It's too soon. 53 is no age. In fact, in today's time, no age is. We are already struggling with this pandemic, and we are trying to hold back our depression, our sadness. We are struggling, and then for this news to come is very, very sad. Very sad. My heart goes out to his wife and his child, and it will take us many, many years to register that he's not among us. It will take us many, many moments of some kind of. I just want to pray for his departed soul. I just feel it's sometimes the words are so insufficient to express shock and grief. And I will miss him, the world will miss him, and my Om Shanti, and may God rest his soul in peace. Irfan, this is not the way to deal with us. You, I